Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily DIY Do channel, where we do DIY do stuff on a daily. Today I got a real good one for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your white vinyl privacy fence from looking like this to looking like that in just a few easy short steps. This is real simple, guys, so just pay attention and I'll show you exactly what I do. If you're anything like me, and like to maintain a nice property, nice lawn, you probably have an irrigation system. Well, if you happen to have an irrigation system on a well, sometimes you develop iron in your water. And if you don't have your sprinkler head set perfect and you have a white vinyl fence, this is the result you'll get. Sometimes you'll get overspray onto your fence. Even if the sprinkler heads are set right, in a lot of cases, you'll still get overspray because of the wind. So just over time, I like to come through, clean my fence, and I figured it'd be a good time to make a video, show you guys how easy it is, because I know a lot of guys have problems with this and they'll hire a company to come do it, and all that's not necessary, guys. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what you need. All right, so these are just a few of the products that I use, and this is what I would recommend because I've tried them all, and these work the best for me. So this stuff is called RustAid. It's made by GoofOff. I'll leave a link to all these in the description too, guys. And this is just Spray 9. Now, I've noticed Spray 9 is definitely the best product to use on any kind of vinyl gutters. If you have vinyl gutters, Spray 9 will take anything off. It's just the best cleaner overall, in my opinion. I like to pour my Spray 9 into a just regular spray bottle. So I have a regular Spray 9 bottle. This is what you would pour the rust remover in, just a 1 gallon pump-up sprayer. So this is just a typical car wash brush with soft bristles. You don't need nothing too hard to take the dirt off because the product does the work for you. And on those really hard spots, like towards the bottom of my fence down here where it's a little darker from some of the chemicals that I spray, and from where I weed eat, it gets a little bit more dirty. I like to use a stiff brush, just a little stiff brush. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's all you need to clean this fence, make it look brand new. Oh, and water. Gotta have water. So the first thing I like to do is just wet the panel down, just real light. Oh, time out. This is what else you need to know. It's in the directions, but I'll go ahead and tell you just so you know. If you're using this product to remove the rust on your fence, it's a good idea to wet the ground underneath your fence, because on a real warm day, this will burn the lawn. So I just want to let you know, if you're going to use this product, definitely wet the ground. So I generally like to do 2 panels at a time, just so I feel like I'm a little bit more efficient, but probably not. Spray 9, super simple. Just spray the panel down. I like to do this just to get all the loose dirt and stuff off. Takes all the surface dirt off, because this will not take the rust off, guys. All right. So after you've sprayed the panel down, you just want to get your brush. I like to wet the brush in between panels, just for one, to get the old dirt off, and 2, it kind of makes some suds when you're doing the next one. You just work it from the top down. It's just basic cleaning. I like doing the top half first. Then the bottom. I'll come back and do the very bottom last. Because there's dirt down here. So this prevents from getting all that dirt on your panel. So do this part last. That's it, guys. Now you notice the product's still on the other panel. I'll leave that on there, let it dwell while I rinse this one off. You get ready to see, boy, this stuff ain't no joke. You about to see. So that's it. You can see the iron's still there. You might not be able to see real well, but all the dirt, surface dirt and everything is gone. Alrighty, guys. Dang, well, I say guys a lot. So I just cleaned this panel off camera, just like I did that one. Oh, dang. I didn't want to spray that water on there. It won't hurt it if you put the iron remover on there with water, but I try not to dilute the product too much with water, because you literally don't need any water for the product to work. You just spray it. You could spray it on a dry panel and it'll do what it's supposed to do. You don't have to rinse it off or anything. You're getting ready to see. Watch how cool this is. Super simple. There's not much up here, but I still spray the whole panel from the top down. And it don't take much. This 1 gallon right here, I could probably do this whole fence line with. Watch, you're getting ready to see this stuff disappear right in front of your face. And if you miss some, just come back and hit it. You know, once it's all gone, you'll see a spot or two that you may have missed, because it's hard to see everything. Look at it already, guys. I'll just let the camera roll because it's quick. Isn't that crazy? You'll see. It's going to disappear right in front of your face. And I'm probably putting a little too much on just to make it, I'm not going to say make it look good for the camera, but just to make sure I got it all, just to kind of show you guys what this stuff does. But look at it. In the next couple minutes, it'll be brand new looking, just like this one and that one. This is a great solution if you guys want to clean your white vinyl privacy fence by yourself. I mean, you can literally take it from that to this. Just that easy. Oh, and one other thing, guys. If you wanted to, once you got done, like I said, you don't have to, I mean, you can see what I see. You don't have to rinse the panels off. They're already clean. But if you want to, after spraying that product, you can wet the ground just to make sure you don't damage your lawn. If you did it beforehand, you'll probably be okay. One year I didn't wet it because I got tired of weed eating up against my white vinyl fence. Anybody with a white vinyl fence knows what a nightmare that is. So one year I didn't even wet the ground because I wanted it to burn right up against the fence so I didn't have to edge it. So if that's something you want to do, kill it right up along the fence like mine is, don't wet the ground. But I'm not telling you not to do that. Directions say wet the ground. All right, guys, so I've had a chance to let this product sit for about 5 minutes, and you can see it's like night and day. You see the shade line right here. The sun is shining full on these panels, so it's not hiding anything. I mean, these things literally look brand new. This is from my lawnmower wheel. Sometimes I get a little crazy out here. Come on, player. I'm trying to make a video for the people right here. So what you could do, guys, is take some of that spray dye and spray into either a stiff bristle brush or a magic eraser, and you can take little smudge marks just like that off. But alrighty, guys, so if this is a video any of you guys found interesting, maybe consider liking, subscribing to the channel, as we'll be coming out with more great videos. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm getting ready to start pumping them back out. I'm back out in the yard again, so we're going to show you guys a bunch of stuff out here. Right here at the end of the video, I'll speed it up and I'll show a little bit of B-roll and me cleaning these last 2 panels and spraying it and letting it settle, and show you how good again this stuff is. Here we go. You guys have a great day. Sorry guys, but I keep thinking of new stuff to add to the video. So this is another thing that I thought about. You might be the type of person that can't clean your fence the way I clean it. You just don't have time, but you want the rust off. So I just want to show you how effective this is without doing anything. Just put the rust remover in a 1-gallon spray jug. This fence is, I mean, you can look at it and tell it's super dirty. I mean, it's got mold and dirt and, I mean, you see it. But watch how effective this product is just by itself. Say you have a HOA and you're getting a letter because you got iron on your fence and they want you to clean it off. A lot of my neighbors. All you gotta do is take this, watch this. You don't even gotta clean your fence. This is how you get the HOA off your back right here. I didn't touch this with water or anything. And this is real time. I mean, you can kind of see it disappearing right in front of your eyes, huh? You give that a good 5 or 10 minutes, all that iron will be gone, guys. This really is, I've tried a bunch of iron removers. This is probably the best one I've ever tried, hands down. But even with the dirt left on it, not being able to have the time to clean your fence, just removing the iron, I mean, it makes the world of a difference from a car driving down the street, you know, looking at your property. It's kind of hard to see this small dirt from the road, but I mean, you seen that piece of iron. I mean, it sticks out like a sore thumb when you got iron on your fence. So like I said, if you don't have the time, just get the iron remover, spray it, you're done.